Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use Trello for a Kanban workflow. So let's get started. First up, you'll want to create a new board on Trello. This is the canvas where all your tasks or cards will live. You can do this by clicking on the plus sign, then select Create Board. The reason we do this is because each board represents a project or a workflow in the Kanban methodology. Now that we've done that, it's time to set up our lists. In a typical Kanban workflow, you'll have 3 lists: to do, doing, and done. You can add a list by clicking on Add a List and then typing in these titles. This helps us because the lists represent stages in your workflow. As you start a task, it moves from to do to doing and finally to done when it's completed. Next up, let's add some cards to our to-do list. Cards in Trello represent tasks or work items. You can add a card by clicking on Add a Card under the to-do list. Then you can type in the details of your task. The reason we do this is that each card will represent an individual task that needs to be completed. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're setting up a visual representation of your workflow. As you move cards from one list to another, you're visually tracking your progress and making sure nothing falls through the cracks. Now that we've added some cards, let's talk about how to move them. You can click and hold on a card to drag it from one list to another. This is how you'll mark a task as being in progress or completed. Remember, the key to Kanban is to limit the amount of work in progress, so only move a task to doing when you're ready to focus on it. Let me explain why this matters. Visualizing your workflow in this way, using Trello, helps you stay organized and focused. It gives you a clear picture of what's happening with each task and prevents you from becoming overwhelmed with too many tasks at once. And there you have it. That's the basics of using Trello for a Kanban workflow. It's a simple but powerful tool that can make your work much more organized and manageable. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how much more productive you can be. Until next time, keep those cards moving.